like magic. Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. Ooh, ooh, Tamu. All of my wishes came true. Shop like
This is an emergency paddock. 11 door has been opened due to the heavy rain. Please remain calm.
Perfecto. Okay, go, go, go. Calma. Luca.
Help save the smiles at McDonald's with the Minions.
To the citizens or tourists in Jurassic World or in Camp Cretaceous, please go inside your home, close all the lights, and close all windows, and noise is prohibited.
The strength of our economy comes not from hardworking Americans, but from illegal aliens, where almost all of our new jobs have gone to illegal aliens. You know that? And just remember I said this because this is a disaster waiting to happen. You know, we're doing very well with the black and Hispanic vote. We're doing very well with the union vote. Like record numbers, because we've done a lot. We've done criminal justice reform. We've saved the historically black colleges and universities. We had great economic development programs with Tim Scott. Opportunity zones, it's called. It's probably the most successful opportunity. I mean, it's the most incredible thing. And that's gone largely to black, Hispanic people. It's been great. So we've done a lot. But, you know, the worst thing that's happening to black, number one, Hispanic, number two, unions, number three, is the millions of people pouring into our country. They're taking their jobs, and they're taking the black jobs, people that
It's a white big hybrid, similar to the T-Rex. It can camouflage, please. If we say go outside, please check your surroundings. Okay, we will see you again. Please evacuate immediately. It is on the residence hotels side. Please evacuate. Evacuate 20 people are diseased. The dino is on its hunt. Please go to the ship station fast. But please wait when we officially announce this is only a minor. If it's in your side, please evacuate to anyone or your neighbor's house, but far away. Hello, Steve. Welcome to the emergency call system. What do you need?
Hi, please help me. My wife is gone, please.
Okay, but not your wife, but more and more people are dying. Where are you at?
I'm in my Jeep Jurrasic WA World Jeep just driving, and I'm in a big electric cage is open.
Holy sh...
It's going to be alright, my sweetheart. I'm also crying.
Voted product of the year, it's Snackies. Hold your drink and the snacks you love all in one hand. Perfect in the car or chilling on the couch.
Please pay attention to this important announcement. The asset has continued to roam closer to populated sections of the island. Due to its enclosing proximity, all rides and attractions have now been closed. Please make your way back to the Jurassic World Lagoon area or the resort and wait for further updates. The park has not issued an evacuation at this time, but evacuation vessels are being deployed in preparation of a possible evacuation. Thank you for your cooperation.
Anywhere. Sealed tight for less mess. Absolutely everyone loves
Snackies!
kids mess in the car. With Snackies, it's clean and easy. Perfectly sealed so no more mess. Perfect after a workout, at the game, after practice, even on the road. Holds a full 16 ounces and a whole bag.
Please pay attention to this important announcement. Due to a containment anomaly, all guests must take shelter immediately. Multiple of our aerial assets have escaped their captivity and are attacking populated areas of the park. These animals are highly dangerous, as they are carnivorous and have the strength to pick up a human being. Asset Containment Unit has deployed many squadrons to recapture the escaped assets. Until the all clear is given, we recommend for your safety to remain indoors.
The following victims of the carnivores are Steve James and Linda. And this is them now.
Please pay attention to this important announcement. At 5:43 p.m., an official evacuation of the park was announced. All guests and staff members must make their way to the South Dock through the monorail system. The final ferry leaves at 6:30 a.m. While evacuating, we recommend that you do the following. Travel in groups with other tourists. Only take essential items to speed up the evacuation process. Make little to no noise so not to attract the attention of escaped assets. Do not shine any artificial lights. While most of our aerial assets have been tranquilized, one highly dangerous asset is still roaming free. This creature is 20 feet tall, carnivorous, agile, has advanced camouflage abilities, has good eyesight, and is extremely aggressive. If you see it, back away slowly until you are out of its sight. Then, take shelter inside an indoor structure. Again, the final evacuation ferry leaves at 6:30 a.m. If you have not reached the South Dock by this time, you will be left behind. Please remain calm and quiet during the evacuation process.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Mary, things have not gotten better here. A bunch of their other dinosaurs escaped. It was a real hellscape on Main Street. Listen, I'm on a monorail that's heading to the South Dock. That's where the evacuation ferries are. I'm really sorry that this didn't work out. I should probably be home by... Wait, what was that?